Hello, people. So, I decided to make a video about what motivated me to start investing. Um, I had never known much about investing. I didn't grow up being taught about the stock market and investing. I knew nothing about it. I wish I had, but I didn't. A few years back, I opened up an IRA, an individual retirement, I think it's account. Um, and it was an IRA savings account. And what happened was I would check it like year after year, and it grew like a couple dollars a year. And I was getting frustrated, like there's got to be a better way. Like I'll never have anything to retire off of if it grows at this rate. Um, Someone started talking, and you're talking about investments, and I thought, oh, I can change my IRA to an IRA investment account instead of just an IRA savings account. So I found some mutual funds. I went online and started researching what type of companies I was looking for and what type of stocks I was interested in. And I found some mutual funds that had what I was looking for. And so I just moved my money in my IRA savings to my IRA investment. And I noticed it started growing significantly faster than my savings account had. And I was like, oh, shoot, I might be onto something here. So that was that. That was how that started. But I wasn't doing anything on my own. I just had like retirement accounts. I decided that I would also try some mutual funds because I didn't know anything about trading. And I knew with mutual funds and ETFs, they're kind of people there to do it for you. You kind of look at what you're looking for, what you're interested in, and then you can see how they perform over time, and then you pick your funds from there, and then they do the work for you. So you just kind of put money in and just leave it. So I went to, I think it was Morningstar, and picked out a mutual fund. I didn't have much. I think I want to say $500. Now some of them have minimum investments, so you can't, you can't get in with $500. But I did because that's what I had. The trading, actually sitting and watching the markets and learning about certain companies, came later. I didn't start off like that. I was strictly just kind of investing, just putting money into something, mainly funds, managed funds. I did buy some shares in Apple just because I'd been hearing so much about it that I just had to have. I think I bought three. I think I bought 3 shares of Apple because that was all I could afford. So anytime I had some extra money, I would just dump it in there. I didn't have to watch the markets or pay attention to anything, trying to get in and out of stocks. I didn't have to know anything about it because they just did it, and that's what I did. So that was how I started, just a mutual fund, and I would just put money in it. So for people who don't either have the time or the desire to actually sit and watch the markets, maybe investing in an ETF or mutual fund might be a good idea for you, because you don't really have to do anything with it other than fund it.